What's up guys, bad news and might be the biggest bad news. You guys remember we are talking about the Galaxy Fold 2 for about a year now, and in this time frame we've always heard that Fold 2 might be very promising. We could see very significant upgrades with the second generation of Fold model, and most surprisingly we were waiting for the S Pen in the Fold 2. But now, according to a new report from South Korea, reveals that Samsung has dropped the ambitions of S Pen stylus in the Fold 2. Report reveals that Samsung is doing this to decrease the smartphone's weight as compared to the original Galaxy Fold smartphone. But of course, we all know it is not true. As we know, currently foldable displays isn't that mature as the normal display. We already had a lot of issues with the first generation of Galaxy Fold. Even some issues also popped up with the second foldable phone. Although Samsung has made very great improvements with Z Flip's display, but seems like it is still not at the level to use with S Pen. Korean media revealed that display is not the issue of not using the S Pen, but wait, the original Galaxy Fold was measured at 269 grams, whereas according to media, Samsung is planning to make the Fold 2 40 grams lighter than the first generation model. But as we know, display is the problem of not using the S Pen in the Galaxy Fold 2. But to compensate, Samsung is actually making the Fold 2 lighter. And as said by a different report from South Korea, Samsung is even planning not to use the UTG panel in the Fold 2. UTG is actually an ultra thin glass already used on the Galaxy Z Flip. This isn't like a normal glass, I mean it's so thin that it might actually increase the fragility of the phone. But as far as user experience is concerned, it might be a great addition. It really feels like you are actually pressing on glass, unlike the plastic feel on Galaxy Fold. According to industry insiders, Samsung is still undecided on what material to use for its Fold 2, but plastic-based panels seems more likely. And reportedly, the UTG panel could also increase the smartphone's weight. Well, as we have just heard, Samsung is actively trying to avoid this to of course compensate the no stylus thing with next generation of Fold model. Reportedly, production for parts for the next foldable smartphone by Samsung is supposed to start in the month of May, and mass production could begin as early as June. Also, different report reveals that Galaxy Fold will also be available in green and blue colors, but that colors might going to be a regional specific. And this report also confirms the 256GB variant of the next foldable phone from Samsung. But this report also reveals the price of the 256GB Galaxy Fold 2 will not be as low as we were expecting. The 512GB Fold 2 model could cost somewhere around $2,300, and 256GB variant could cost around $2,000 or $2,100. Again, even production haven't started yet. We are still a couple of months away from the launch, so of course take these prices with a pinch of salt. So yeah, that's it for the Galaxy Fold 2. Let me know what were your reaction after hearing that Fold 2 won't be having S Pen support. Do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.